What's wrong with these bitches? What's wrong with these bitches? What's wrong with these bitches?
What's wrong?
Got my cup full, got my blunt roll, keep me stupid high, got my eyes low. What's wrong with these niggas? What's wrong with these niggas? What's wrong with these niggas?
I don't know.
What's wrong with these bitches? What's wrong with these bitches? What's wrong with these bitches?
Go. made the bang. I was kind of nervous on how it was going to turn out, so I didn't want to film it, but I think it's coming out pretty good, so I'm going to film like the remaining part of me doing this. The reason why I'm turning this into a bang is because I can no longer use the lace front of the lace front of this wig because it's balding, and I really didn't want to throw away a perfectly fine wig all around because the frontal was fucked up, you know? So I gotta move this. I think I might get into hair for real because this was actually kind of fun. This whole process of bleaching, dyeing, you know, like getting this hair together and to see the outcome, like I am beyond proud of myself. So yeah. And this is my first time, like I'm not a pro whatsoever. So please don't think that I am. So like if you're a beginner, you could do this too. Trust and believe. You could do this too. Sorry, I'm like all up close and personal because my camera just doesn't have space, so I have to film this on my phone, and I didn't want to miss perfectly good content. So I was like, you know what? Let me just do it on my phone. Let me stop acting bougie. Like if I don't have a camera, I'm not gonna film. I don't want that to stop me. So sorry for the terrible quality. Sorry for the terrible quality because I'm just getting my life together right now. Okay. I didn't even think that I was gonna do this morning. This really wasn't planned. Oh, all this hair. Hold on. Who's telling me anything? Like, I'm coming for this hair shit. I'm fucking coming. I'm coming for this hair shit for real. I just made this a whole different wig. Like, I really can't believe that I just did all of this. I'm beyond proud of myself. Like, I'm gonna be on my Instagram, on my Facebook, tweaking because I just feel like I'm just that now. I'm just that. Maybe I made it a little bit too much, but that's okay. Because this would have been perfectly fine for me. But, I mean, whatever. This is not too much of a thick piece. Okay, this part of my hair is just... Why does it look like one side has a lot more of the bang than the other? I think this is okay. You guys, I'm so fucking proud of myself. Like, wow, I just freaking did that shit. How cute, guys. How fucking cute. I didn't glue it down, but I'm going to, so that it'll look, you know, not so wiggy. I'm gonna glue it down when I get back, after I do my makeup, and I'll show you guys like the full end result. But you guys, the dye didn't come out exactly how I wanted to because of the spotting. It looks like freaking like an animal print or something, like a foxtail, but I'm okay with it. I'm cool with it. When I get back, I'm gonna do my makeup and show you guys the completed look, okay? I'm gonna show you how this is looking once it's put together.